The educational mobile application I choose is the Google Classroom because I like it, and also I think all the tasks you can see in the Google Classroom is very well organized.
So Google Classroom. Here is the Google Classroom. This we preset. Then, as you can see, before you can enter in the Google Classroom, you need a link to, if you're a student, to participate in this application. So here in this bottom, you can see left side at the bottom. You can see this plus sign. You will click that, and as you can see, there's create class and join class. If you are a teacher, you will choose create class. You will create class. So here is the name, section, room, and subject. After you fill that out, you will click this here in the upper right portion. There is this create box. Then, if you are a student, then you will click this join class. So you will enter here the code that your teacher or instructor give you. Then you will enter here. After you enter, you will choose. You will click this join here. After you click the join, you will automatically in the class. For example, here there's PRN 129. So here, this is the classroom now. So here you as you can see here in the stream side, stream section, you can see all the activities, learning tasks, even the examination. You can see here, and also you can see here if your advisor or your teacher or instructor had an announcement like this. Then in this classwork section, these are the learning tasks, assessment that you have to submit. So here, as you can see, this gray portion is gray. That indicates that you already submitted that learning task or that assessment. For example, this. So here there is a mark that it said turned in. So that indicates that you are done with that learning task. And then, well, here there's a colored in this learning task. It indicates that you are not yet done, or you did not submit that learning task or assessment. So you have to submit it. And then if you submit, you will press this add work. Then you will choose if it's in your drive, or you will picture it in your camera, in the scanner, or you will just upload it, or you have the link, or create. So for an example, I will upload some document here. I will just choose a random document. Okay, choose here. Let's try this. Okay, then as you can see that loading, you will just wait until it's done. So it's done, and then after it's done loading, you will press this turn in button. So you will turn in it. So I will not press it because this is not the right learning type, so I will just cancel it. After you turn in, you will see like this. Here, it will turn out like this. So there will be a mark that said turned in. So that's it. If you will submit an assessment or a learning test. Also, here in Google Classroom, you can see all your classmates and also your teacher. So here's our teacher, Mr. Philip Baron, and all my classmates here. Also, we can have our Google Meet here directly in this button, like, oh, let's join meeting. So I think that's it. That's all about Google Classroom.
The learning theories applied to the educational tool, the Google Classroom, is the cognitive learning theories because it focuses on how cognitive development or how the mind constructs knowledge. A cognitive approach to learning generally believes that the learning process happens through experience, trial and error, and thinking through ideas to develop understanding and knowledge within the mind. When someone is confused, they are in a state of cognitive disequilibrium. They will reach understanding of a topic. They achieve cognitive equilibrium.